Welcome back to Island Life Live. Let's go behind the scenes of the home building and remodeling industry. You know, our experts from H1 Construction are here to share some tips, insight, and expert advice to make your project smoother. It's time to Ask the Contractor.
Welcome back to Lucas and Joseph. This is our team from H1 Construction. This is our opportunity to ask the contractor, and we're so grateful to have them here. Your expertise has been amazing these past few weeks. And today we're going to focus on luxury versus quality.
Okay.
Because one doesn't necessarily guarantee the other.
Right.
Yep.
Right.
And we're going to find out which actually increases long-term value. So Lucas, want to start with you. What's the difference between something that looks impressive and something that truly improves a home's actual longevity?
The big question when it comes to those is how long you're going to be in the home, right? Like if you want to be in there 5 years, it's definitely a different type of product you would buy. So as far as like longevity, you want to go with a product that's been around for a long time. For instance, we can use like Home Depot product. If you go in there and you want to buy a product that's $1 a square foot, yes, you're going to save some money, but how long has that product been around? How long has the manufacturer been around? They can offer a lifetime warranty, but if they go out of business, you don't have a lifetime warranty anymore, right? So it's about using reputable, the same thing as your contractor, right? You want to go with a reputable contractor who knows the ins and outs of the products that have been used, what's tried, true, and tested through the process. You know, if it's your forever home, we want to build things, for instance, your faucet should be stainless steel. The difference between stainless steel and a plastic chrome are widely different. I can get a faucet at Costco for $200, and that same faucet might be $700 at Ferguson's, but it's a world of difference between them. The $200 faucet, probably a 10-year faucet. If you're going to be there 6 or 7 years, why are you going to buy a stainless steel faucet? And that goes with every single selection that goes into your house. So everyone needs to be thought out.
Got you. Now, Jeff is looking to rebuild his family's $1 home, and he wants to know what are some of the behind-the-walls details that he should not overlook?
Well, everything starts at the base, at the foundation. So if you want to look and build forever home, like Lucas was mentioning, the bones of the house is obviously going to be the most important things.
Yeah.
So your structure, your foundation, your footings, structural points, all that is going to be the foundation, how the house is going to perform overall. Because if that's not built correctly and properly, then no matter how expensive cabinets and flooring and windows you're going to put in, it will not matter.
Got you.
So you need to start with the basics.
The shell.
The shell is going to be always is your most valuable thing.
Got it. That is crucial. Yeah. And I know that you folks have said that before, but I think it's important to say again and again and again. You cannot, especially here in Hawaii, with the rain and the wind, and you want to make sure that your home is sturdy. We got that. Now, can you give an example of how your material selections today can influence maintenance costs like 5-10 years down the line?
A good question, and I'll go back into the same way I answered the first one. It all comes down to the longevity of the product. Tried and true materials that you've used, that you have been used in the past, that have good ratings, that have been around a long time. When someone is going into building a home or a big renovation, the biggest question they can ask themselves is, how long am I going to be here? And whether you can answer that question or not, because a lot of people can't, right? But some people can say, you know what, I'm handing this down to my kids. It's going to be in our family forever.
Then you're not going to want that stuff that only lasts for 6 or 10 years.
Correct.
You want something that's going to last even longer, right?
Correct.
But I can also tell you, between Joseph and myself, if we buy, I'll just stay on the faucet, right? If we buy the chrome faucet that has a plastic, we're very high level maintenance when it comes to our own houses, right? Like a mechanic is probably gonna take good care of their car, we take good care of our houses. I can make that faucet last a very, very long time because I know the ins and outs of when I need to clean the filter,
how to maintain it, how to change
things,
the gusset or whatever, right?
So you need, a house is an important asset and it needs to be taken care of. Like your car, change the tires, change the oil, you need to, every year, you need to go through your house, recaulk the windows, check paint, and do all these things. And even budget-friendly products will last a very long time.
So it's not just about choosing quality products, but it's also about maintaining the home throughout.
All I can really say is yes, just dealing with a product that has been around. It's a tried and true product that everybody has used in the past. If you're gonna go with an off-brand, then you're taking that risk, right?
That's right, that's right. And that's the reason why we asked the contractor. H1 Construction right here, Lucas and Joseph, thank you so much for your expertise, gentlemen.
You are welcome.
Thank you.
His too?
His too.
Mine too.
Hey, mahalo, you guys. Again, if you do have those questions, send them our way so that we can get them answered in next week's segment of Ask the Contractor.